Hi boo, Shann here. So you guys, I created this look for today's video. Want to see how I achieve this look? Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Right here, you guys, I'm just touching up my bun. I wanted to start off with that because it was looking real crazy, and show y'all how I just slick it back into place and do my little baby hairs. That's all I'm really doing on this part. After laying my edges, I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair down and let it dry while I start on my makeup. Alright, we're going to start off with the brows per usual. I'm using my retractable eyeliner pencil that I get from my local beauty supply store for only $1. Next, I'll be taking my Morphe M40 brush. I think it's M40, y'all. It's a flat brush. You know, it don't have to be Morphe, but it's a flat brush. I'm taking that and my Juvia's Place matte cream foundation, and I'm going to conceal with it. Conceal my eyebrows, the top and the bottom, of course. Oh my god, it's the crisp and cleanliness for me. The crispy and the cleanliness for me, honey. Do y'all see those brows? So crispy and clean. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the video. Alright, y'all, going in with my Juvia's Place Creamy Matte Foundation. And I'm going to apply this all over my lid up to my eyebrow and just blend it in to prep my eye before applying my eyeshadow. Once I'm done adding concealer all over my lid, I'll go in with my banana powder and set my eyelid. Using this brown for my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to place it right above my crease for my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this vibrant red color from this Juvia's Place palette and place it right above my transition shade and blend, blend, blend. Going back into my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take some more of that brown and place it on both of my lids. On the same palette, I'm going to take some black and go right on top of that red, almost near my transition shade, not quite above it, but basically right on it. And I'm going to blend that black into a red to start creating my smoky eye. Next, I'll be going in with my eyeliner to create my wing. Oh my God, somebody please recommend me some new edge control, because the only one that holds my hair turns white, as y'all can see, and I'm sick of it. After applying mascara, I'm going to take my eyeliner pencil and go right on my waterline with it. Alright, dipping back into that black and red, I'm going to mix it pretty much on my brush and go right underneath my bottom lash line. Next, I'll be going in with my foundation. I'll be using the Maybelline Matte Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 335. While doing my foundation, I was allowing my glue on my eyelashes to dry. So now I'm going to put them on using my tweezer. I'm going to put them right on my lash line and then use my fingers to press it against my real lashes to secure them. Alright, y'all, moving on to contouring. I'm going to contour my cheek line, my cheekbone line, and my jawline, as well as like the outer part of my forehead area. It's going to give that slimmer face look. Now let's go in with some concealer and begin highlighting my under eye area, as well as my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and the middle forehead area. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with my setting powder or banana powder and set my under eye. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Full Coverage Foundation in the shade W7 and apply this all over my face and just bring everything together. Now going in with my Juvia's Place blush, I'm going to apply that right on my cheekbone. And a little tip I picked up from my sister. I like the look of blush on my nose. So if you guys aren't subscribed to her channel, go subscribe now. And I will have it linked down below in the description box. I'm going to go in with my brown liner and overline my lips just a little bit. Not too much because my lips are already full. But I'm going to slightly overline them. Now I'm going to go in with this Velvet Matte Lippy in the color Summer. I wanted to create an ombre look for my lipstick, so now I'm going to take this nude color and go right in the middle of my bottom lip and blend it out with my finger. I used a little bit too much nude, you guys, and it kind of overpowered the burgundy, so I'm going to add some more brown liner to blend in. I'll be taking my matte dry long lasting Maybelline setting spray and spraying all over my face, and then I'm going to fan it to dry. Why y'all ain't tell me that I had got makeup in my edges when I was doing my contouring? Ugh, I don't like that. Anywho, here's the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel. We're still on the road to 500 subscribers. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, boo. And make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below.